Hello YouTubers, welcome to KS Movie Tech. Today I am going to show you how to change your message text size. Message text size so easily only with the help of your volume key. Well, let's get started. First, open your messaging. Then click on option and go to setting. You can find your option button on top right corner. Then in display setting, see there is option use the volume key. Closely look at the details. Change text size using the volume key. Yes, this is the option. Mark it. Your work has been done. Now let's check. Go on the message and click on the volume up button. See, my text size has been increased. Click on the volume down button. My text size has been smaller. That is how you can do it yourself. Now enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Meet you in the next video. Thank you. Subscribe us for the next video.